When uploading resources to the Water and Habitat Resource Center, users are required to assign a source to the various resources. As an administrator for the Water and Habitat Resource Center, you may wish to make changes to these sources depending on whether a source has been incorrectly assigned to a certain resource, depending on whether you wish to add a new source type, or depending on whether, for whatever reason, a source has been misspelled or requires an adjustment of this sort. To see the overview of existing sources, you'll navigate to Structure, Taxonomy, All Types. You'll scroll down to Source, and on the right, you'll select List Terms. Here you'll see an overview of the sources which are currently existing. Now let's say, for example, one of the sources was incorrectly spelled and you wanted to edit that, or you wanted to rename it. So instead of public resource, you wanted to rename it ICRC public announcement or public document, etc. You would select Edit, and you would make the change to the name that you wish to make, and then click Save when you're done. Now, in case you wanted to delete a certain source, you would do so by selecting the option Delete on the right-hand side under Operations. And you will be presented with a notification that that source is currently being used, which means that it has been assigned to the following resources. So before deleting the source, which actually you don't have the option to do at the moment because it's in use, you would need to go individually to the various resources which have been assigned that source, and you would need to change the source to another source type before deleting that source entirely. In case you wanted to add a source, you would do so back under the source list by using this Add Term button here. And here you would give the source a new name and select Save.